Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hi, I am Sam.
Hey, my name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you from here?
No, I am from Chicago.
Oh, that is very cool.
Well, it is very cold.
Do you like London?
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Is this your first visit?
Actually, yes, it is.
Where is your hotel?
It is near the station.
Is it a nice place?
It is very small.
London hotels are usually small.
I see that now.
Are you hungry, Leo?
Yes, I am a little.
Do you want some food?
That sounds like a plan.
What do you like?
I really love pizza.
There is a shop nearby.
Is the food good there?
Yes, it is very fresh.
Okay, let's go there.
Wait, is it open now?
I think so, Sam.
Let me check the time.
It is only noon.
Great, they are open.
Is it far from here?
No, it is 5 minutes.
Well, let's start walking.
Do you have an umbrella?
No, why do you ask?
It looks like rain.
Oh, you are right.
London weather is very strange.
It was sunny earlier.
Welcome to England, my friend.
Thanks for the warning.
We can walk fast.
I am ready to go.
Is your jacket waterproof?
I am not sure.
I hope it stays dry.
Me too, Sam.
Look, the sun is back.
Wow, that was fast.
I told you, it's strange.
I believe you now.
Are you still hungry?
Yes, let's find pizza.
The shop is right there.
It looks very busy.
This coffee stand looks cool.
I need a drink.
What do you want, Leo?
I want a black coffee.
Do you want sugar?
No, just plain coffee.
I want a hot tea.
Is it good here?
London is great for tea.
Well, I prefer coffee.
Should I get milk?
Yes, please get some.
Hello, 2 drinks, please.
Large or small?
Small for me, please.
Make mine a large.
That is £5.
I can pay, Sam.
No, it is my treat.
Are you sure?
Yes, you are my guest.
Well, thank you very much.
Here's your coffee.
Careful, it is very hot.
Is there a spoon?
Yes, over there.
I need some napkins, too.
There by the milk.
The view here is nice.
The river is very big.
That is the Thames River.
How do you spell it?
It is spelled Thames.
Wait, but you say Thames?
Yes, the H is silent.
English is very difficult.
You are doing great, Leo.
Thanks, I try my best.
Is your coffee good?
It is actually perfect.
Mine is a bit strong.
Do you want more milk?
Yes, please pass it.
Here you go.
Now it is much better.
Do you see that bridge?
Which one? The blue one?
Yes, what is it called?
That is the Tower Bridge.
It looks very old.
It is a famous landmark.
Can we walk there later?
Sure, after we finish coffee.
I am almost done.
Don't rush, enjoy the view.
The air feels very fresh.
It is a nice day.
I am glad I came.
Me too, my friend.
Let's keep walking soon.
Where is the subway entrance?
In London, it's called Underground.
Oh, right, the tube.
The sign is over there.
I see the red circle.
Let's go down the stairs.
Do we need a ticket?
You can use your phone.
Really? That is very easy.
Just tap it right here.
Which line do we take?
We need the Northern Line.
What color is that line?
It is the black one.
Is it very busy now?
Well, it is rush hour.
What does rush hour mean?
It means many people traveling.
I see, it's very crowded.
Stay close to me, Sam.
Which way is the platform?
Follow the signs for northbound.
Is the train coming soon?
Look at the digital screen.
It says 2 minutes away.
That is very fast service.
Wait, mind the gap, Leo.
What does that mean?
Look at the floor space.
Oh, the space between trains.
Exactly, don't trip on it.
Thanks for telling me, Sam.
Is this our train now?
Yes, let's get on quickly.
There are no seats left.
We can just stand here.
Hold on to the yellow pole.
Okay, I have it now.
Is the next stop ours?
No, it is 3 stops.
It's very loud in here.
Yes, it's an old tunnel.
Are we going to Camden?
Yes, it is a fun place.
What is in Camden Market?
Well, clothes, food, and music.
That sounds very interesting, Leo.
Actually, it is very famous.
Is it expensive to shop?
Some things are quite cheap.
I want to buy souvenirs.
We will find many there.
Look, people are getting off.
Is this our stop yet?
Yes, this is Camden Town.
Okay, let's exit the train.
Watch your step again, Leo.
I am being very careful.
Wow, look at these shirts.
They have very cool designs.
How much is this one?
The tag says £15.
Is that a good price?
It is a bit high.
Can I ask for less?
Well, you can try, Sam.
Excuse me, sir, any discount?
I can do £12.
£12 sounds much better.
Do you want that color?
No, I like the blue.
The blue is very nice.
Do you have a medium?
Let me check the stack.
Here is a medium, Sam.
Great, I will take it.
Do you want anything, Leo?
I like that small hat.
The one with the flag?
Yes, it looks very British.
It is only £10.
That is a great deal.
Are you going to buy it?
Actually, I think I will.
Wait, does it fit you?
Let me try it on.
It looks a bit small.
You are right, it's tight.
Try the larger size, Leo.
This one feels much better.
Now you look like a local.
Thanks, I feel like one.
Should we buy some snacks?
Look at those cookies there.
They are called biscuits here.
Oh, I keep forgetting that.
They look very sweet, Leo.
I want the chocolate ones.
How many do you want?
Just a small box, please.
It is £3.50.
I have the exact change.
Perfect. Let's pay the man.
The market is so fun.
It gets busier every hour.
I can see the crowds.
Do you need a bag?
No, I have my backpack.
Put the shirt in there.
Okay, it is safe now.
Are we finished shopping here?
Yes, I am quite tired.
Let's find a place to sit.
Is there a park nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Lead the way again, Sam.
Is this the right stop?
Let me check the number.
We need the number 24.
It says it stops here.
Look, a red double-decker bus.
They look so very iconic.
Can we sit upstairs, Sam?
Yes, the view is better.
The bus is stopping now.
Do I tap my phone?
Yes, tap it on the reader.
It made a green light.
That means it worked, Leo.
Let's go to the top.
Be careful on the stairs.
Wow, the front seat is empty.
Sit down quickly, it's moving.
This is a great view.
We can see the streets.
London looks so busy today.
Look at all the shops.
Is that a museum there?
Yes, that is the British Museum.
It is a huge building.
Do you want to visit?
Maybe another day, Sam.
Is the bus very slow?
Well, there is much traffic.
I don't mind the traffic.
I enjoy looking around here.
How do we know the stop?
A voice says the name.
Listen, it just said Trafalgar.
Is that where we go?
Yes, Trafalgar Square is next.
Should we stand up now?
Wait for the bus to stop.
Okay, it is slowing down.
Press the red stop button.
I did it. It rang.
Let's go down the stairs.
Hold the rail, Sam.
Thanks, Leo. I am safe.
The doors are opening now.
Say thank you to the driver.
Do people really do that?
Yes, it is very polite.
Thank you, driver.
See, he waved at you.
That is very friendly, Sam.
Where are we exactly now?
We are in the center.
There are so many pigeons.
And many big statues, too.
Do you want a photo?
Yes, please take one here.
Smile for the camera, Leo.
I am ready. Cheese.
This pub looks very old.
I love the wooden walls.
Let's find a table first.
How about that corner one?
That works for me, Leo.
I am very thirsty now.
Do you want some water?
Yes, and some food too.
Look at the lunch menu.
What is fish and chips?
It is fried fish and fries.
That sounds very delicious, Sam.
I will have the same.
Should we order at the bar?
Yes, you pay there first.
Okay, I will go now.
Wait, what about the drinks?
I want an apple juice.
I will get a cola.
Okay, 2 meals and drinks.
Don't forget the table number.
Oh, it is number 12.
You are a fast learner.
I am trying my best.
How was the ordering process?
The barman was very nice.
Did you pay with card?
Yes, I tapped my phone.
Technology makes travel so easy.
I agree with you, Sam.
Here are our drinks, Leah.
Thanks, I was so thirsty.
The food should be quick.
I hope so, I'm starving.
Look, here comes the fish.
Wow, the plate is huge.
Do you want some salt?
Yes, and some vinegar too.
Vinegar on fries is British.
Let me try it once.
How does it taste, Leo?
It is actually good.
The fish is very soft.
It is very hot too.
Take your time eating it.
I am enjoying every bite.
Do you like the pub?
It is very cozy here.
Pubs are like living rooms.
Everyone seems very happy here.
It is a social place.
I see people playing cards.
Yes, they are regular customers.
That is a nice tradition.
Are you full now, Leo?
Yes, I cannot eat more.
Let's head back outside then.
Ready when you are, Sam.
The park is so quiet.
It is a nice break.
Do you see the ducks?
They are swimming in circles.
Do you have any bread?
No, it is not allowed.
Oh, right, to protect them.
The grass is so green.
It rains a lot here.
That's why it is green.
What time is it now?
It is nearly 4 o'clock.
The sun is going down.
It feels a bit chilly.
Zip up your jacket, Leo.
Actually, I am okay now.
Are you tired from walking?
A little, but I'm fine.
We walked many miles today.
London is a walking city.
What are your plans tomorrow?
I want to see museums.
The museums are mostly free.
Really? That is very good.
Yes, it's great for students.
I will go early then.
I can go with you.
That would be very helpful.
We can meet at 10.
Where should we meet, Sam?
At the same subway station?
The one in Camden town?
Yes, by the main entrance.
Okay, I will be there.
Don't be late this time.
I will set an alarm.
Good idea, my friend Leo.
I am enjoying this trip.
I am glad you are.
London is better with friends.
I agree, it is fun.
Look, a squirrel is there.
They are very brave here.
He is looking for food.
He thinks we have nuts.
Sorry, little friend, no nuts.
It's getting dark now, Sam.
We should find the exit.
Is the exit far away?
No, it is just ahead.
I can see the lights.
The street lights are pretty.
Do you want some dinner?
Maybe just a sandwich.
There is a shop near.
Okay, let's go buy one.
Then we go home, okay?
Yes, I need to sleep.